Welcome to the inspection door overview video. Cut out mesh to install the inspection door. The inspection door is a two-piece design. Install inspection doors onto new guards or retrofit onto existing guards. Use to safely improve your access to equipment. A wedge clamp allows for easy operation. Optional extension pieces available. Custom sizes are available for various applications. Please note, when using wedge clamps, some regulations require a cable tie and tool to remove the guards.